Here is a sample of three-dimensional peyote star design. The colors of the design has been imported from a photo. I want to explain how it can be realized in peyote creator application. Start peyote creator. Select menu item file new. Select geometric beard block. Select any palette. Delica. Here is Delica. Next, select peyote star. Type rows number. Nickname. Apply. We created peyote star. Now go to File, Import Picture Color, open an image, import one side, import front side. Here is picture. Reverse side, there isn't something. We can import colors on the other side. We will use here another picture. Okay. Now import will be done on reverse side. Import. Okay. We have Buddha image on reverse side. We have woman in hat on front side. We can use it colors. Okay, normal, good colors. Now we import that into PDF file. Okay. Both sides. Okay, import, export into PDF. PDF. Front side, reverse side, used colors list, and WordChat. 5 squares. First square, image with chat. Second square, image with chat, etc. Five square, image of first square and with chat. We can import onto both sides. Import. Front side. Reverse side. That's all.